So hello everyone and welcome back to Cash for Life Business modules and XSitePro upgrades. Okay, so this is just fantastic. This guy just did the ultimate tool for anyone to use, either experienced marketer or absolute beginner. This is the ultimate tool to use, XSitePro 2. They just made an incredible change to XSitePro that makes this the ultimate tool for anyone to get started online. Now, what is the changes? Because this is the question I've been having. Jose, you keep saying that this thing has been updated. What's the difference? I cannot see any difference. So, look, it is a massive difference. Okay, and those of you that have been following us on the modules and that go XSitePro, things that change, one of them that I'm going to show you here, which is going to make a big difference in search engine rankings, because we already know, XSitePro is good to get ranked on the search engines really quick, really fast, just by using the SEO tool of XSitePro. So what is the changes that's going to improve our ranks? So if you remember, one of the problems that we had in XSitePro is to get the title tag to be the first tag after the head tag on your source code. So if you remember, we used to have to go to our cPanel and then log into our HTML code on a live server and then replace the tags so we could get better placements. Okay, so that's changed now. You don't have to do that anymore. Okay, another thing that you don't have to do now is the bypassing the affiliate pages. XSitePro does that now right from the XSitePro interface. You don't have to use any code manually. You just tick a few boxes and everything is done. So, but instead for me talking about, let me show you now. So the change number one. Okay, let's see my website here. It does help if I put my name right as well. And here what I'm going to show you here, this is actually part of one of the new templates and new graphics that comes with XSitePro as well. So let's view the page source and look where is my title tag right now. Okay, there, that's it. Okay, the search set tag is moved down there. You go everything now in a perfect place. The way the search engines like, the way the robots like to find your website structured is just fantastic. Okay, so here is one of the upgrades, and this is the last upgrade XSitePro just did, because I just turned my on last night and I had the message that I had a new upgrade, which is a 2.501. So it's the latest upgrade. That's when they made this change. So now you don't have to worry about moving your title tags and your keywords and the description tag. Everything is in the right place, guys. Everything is in the right place. So it was easy to get websites built with XSitePro to rank on the search engines, to rank higher, which I proved to many of you and show to many of you how you get your websites with XSitePro to rank high, and also how you can use XSitePro to optimize your articles and then put on WordPress. That would help WordPress as well to get high up in the rankings and page one as well. So now, if you ask me now which tool do you want to use, XSitePro or WordPress, look, XSitePro all the ways, guys. And the reason is very simple. If you get someone that hacks into your WordPress and puts a small script inside just to put your website on a bad notes, Google will drop your WordPress very quick. If you didn't add an update or backup of your WordPress site, you're gonna have a hell of a work just looking through all the source code and trying to find out which script is causing a website to be deactivated by the search engines. Okay, in XSitePro, all you do, if you remember, I always told you to be careful once we run the cleanup tool. Okay, you can actually run XSite cleanup, and it cleans anything that was not published by XSitePro. It basically cleans your server. And if anything happens, you always go a complete backup of your site stored on your computer. Okay, you also got the auto publishing. You can use the auto publish. Obviously, guys, this is the tool. Okay, you don't need any other tool. This is the only tool you need. Okay, as right now is nothing out there like this. This is really the best tool for the job. Now, if you remember, another thing that we have had to do as well if you want to promote affiliate products. One of them was the code that we had to use, enter by hand to bypass the vendor's page so we don't lose our commissions. Now XSitePro make that very easy for us. Another thing was getting images from the products that we want to promote. Go to ClickBank and looking for products. Now look at this. I don't even need to go online, okay, to go to ClickBank and find products. Let's go here to XSitePro. Go to ClickBank. We now got this ClickBank here. And ClickBank product link. That's where you click. And I type the keyword. Basically the keyword should be something related to the article that you're writing, okay? So I'm just using golf here as an example. And click search. And XSitePro did all the search for me. I got all the products there. The gravity. Earnings, how much I'm gonna get paid. So I can do everything now right here from XSitePro. And here's the best part of the job. So I can actually select the product and view the sales page. So if I view the sales page, so that will take me online now, which allows me to go and see the sales page. Okay, basically the sales page is if you want to see the image. But if you remember on the private models, you know, below 20, you remember that we have to go to the vendor's page to get images, to get, you know, part of their website to try and describe their product a bit better. So one of the things that XSitePro has now made easy for us as well is to get images. Okay, so if you click next here, we can now gather images. So here is the one, you know, remember, bypassing the vendor's page so you don't lose your commissions, so people doesn't land on their opt-in forms, right? So you can now do link directly to the order page, as you see there. So you can do everything now here, just one click, and you bypass the vendor's pages very, very easy. Next one is grab images. So XSitePro actually goes to the website and grabs the images and brings the image to you, to XSitePro straight away. So you just click grab images and XSitePro goes out and grabs the images for you. Another thing is grabbing the thumbnail. So that's ideal for review websites because we just want a small, there it goes. So there is the images that XSitePro find. I can just select, if I want to select here, and you know, you just select the images, you click OK. Very, very easy, very, very simple. And grab a thumbnail here. So just to show you here another feature. I mean, it's a lot of new things here in XSitePro. It is free. This was a free upgrade for XSitePro users. For XSitePro users too. So guys, I think the next thing I gotta do, there it goes. Now I go a small picture of the website. Again, if you write in product reviews and you wanna, you know, give a pre-taste of people what they're gonna find when they click on that link on your website, they already know what they're gonna see. And this is really, really important for the client because it's always good for the client know where he's going, because when people know where they go, they are not lost. Okay, they're making an informed decision, which is really, really, really good. So XSitePro, guys, you really need to get stuck to this thing. So you can save it and then you can write your article. Remember, if you write your article like I explained on the models 1 to 20 and you use the optimized way I showed you and you can rank high for that keyword, guys, it's much easier now to make money at XSitePro than any other tool out there. So let's cancel this one. And another thing I'm going to show you now here is so much here I'm going to have to show you. Which I'm going to do is, you know, on model 1 to 20, we build a website from nothing, okay, from a blank page. And we just basically did a basic website to keep it simple so everyone could get their websites up and running. And what I'm going to do, right, on models, from this model on, I'm actually going to build a website, a good looking website. Okay, you don't want something too cluttered, but something that's going to look good and make your product or your company or your service look good. So, you know, the look of your website describes how good your service are, how good your products are. So the website is very important as well, the way the website looks. Okay, it needs to look smart, it needs to look clean, so people can see, you know, relate to your website, to your service and products. Now, another thing that I want to remember as well is about the optimization. Remember, a lot of people are right now are overhyped in Facebook. Okay, and nobody is using optimizations. And you know, people never used a lot of very few websites waste time in optimizing their websites. So you know, people with credit cards are not on Facebook, guys. Okay, people with credit cards ready to spend money, they are not on Facebook. Okay, these people, they're more likely to be on YouTube looking for product reviews or how to do something. Okay, and once they're gonna buy, they're gonna use Amazon or eBay. Okay, that's where people are actively looking to spend money. And Google. Okay, that's where is the money. And people are sort of overhyped. It's Facebook. Nobody's bothered anymore with page titles or anything like that. They just want to put something together because they think they're gonna make a lot of money on Facebook, and it doesn't happen, guys. You know, Facebook is a good tool, a good marketing tool to tell people what you're up to, and that's all it is about. Okay, because if to make money, to really make money, Google still owns the internet. Google is where people go to look for their products if they got their credit card on hand, ready to spend. Will be Google, YouTube for reviews and how-tos. Okay, that's where people go, YouTube, and then eBay and Amazon. That's where people are be prepared to spend money. Okay, so stop yourself being overhyped with Facebook, because Facebook, yeah, is a good tool just for marketing. Okay, now let me just show you. I've been talking here a bit too much. Okay, let me cancel this here. So I'm gonna show you here to basically update your XSitePro. You just basically put your mouse over help there, and you see here check for updates. You click there, check for updates, you click next, and then basically I got the two versions, the two latest versions. So that's my oldest version, that's the latest version, which is 2.501. That's the one that you want to upgrade. So basically if it's not tick, the box should be able to tick for yourself, and then you click finish, and basically the upgrade automatically starts. Guys, get on an XSitePro and get ready for the next videos where we're gonna start build websites with tables, good looking. I'm gonna show you a lot of new things that it's gonna get your heart pumping, and it's gonna get you really going for it. You know, it's no excuse now why you can get good rankings and make money online, guys. There it goes. I'm Jose Nunes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.